Alright, this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the air filter on a 2010 Toyota Prius. This will work for all the second gen Prius as well. Go ahead and open your glove box. You're going to see this hook right here. Unhook that, just move it out of the way, and the glove box just comes out. You pull down and out gently. Here is your air filter. It's pretty simple. You just unhook this and your air filter is sitting in here. Take out your old one and place the new one. Quick note when you're placing your new filter, to make sure the airflow arrow is pointing up. You can go ahead and shut that. Put in the glove box back. You have to make sure that these hooks rest on these supports right here, and you want to connect. You're going to want to connect this rubber spring right here, and that's it. You're all done. Less than 2 minutes right there. You save a lot of money on labor. The filter costs about $15, and you're saving about like $50 of dealership charges. Well, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.